Hey babes, welcome or welcome back. If this is your first time here, my name is Levion and thank you so much for stopping by. So y'all, in today's video, I'm just going to be doing like a little clean with me and also just doing a little bit of decorating for the fall. So if you've been with me for a while, y'all know that I always say like I never decorate for the fall, but I feel like my house, especially my living room area, is kind of like giving that really cozy vibe. So I thought that it would be really nice if I could just add in some really nice fall decor just to kind of cozy it up just a little bit more. Right now I'm just doing a little bit of dusting. I already dusted off the console and coffee table, and I am using my spray glass cleaner just to make sure that my mirror is nice and shiny. And then I'm going to clean off my window. Rocky loves to like look out the window, and he always kind of has like little saliva, like slime all on the window. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe those off as well before I start decorating. So I just treated myself to this new vacuum. So my heart was definitely set on a Dyson, but I gotta get my money up a little bit. It was a little bit too pricey, so I did I guess settle, but I don't want to say settle because this is a really good vacuum as well. It was more affordable. I found it on Amazon. I'll leave a link below if you are looking for a really nice cordless vacuum. And I love this though. It's really nice. It does suction up, especially with me having a pet. And I do use it on like my couch and other things that I like to vacuum. So definitely something to look into if you are looking for a new vacuum. Y'all know I have to put y'all on with my latest perfumes from the company Dossier. So if you're unfamiliar, girl, where have you been? Dossier is a fragrance company that reproduces high-end fragrances for a fraction of the cost. So Dossier has so many different luxury fragrances, something for everyone to be able to choose from. And I also love that Dossier places their notes on the bottle so that way you're knowing like exactly what's in the perfumes, especially if you're unfamiliar and just trying to get familiar with like learning what scent works for you. They also pack like the little note cards as well in the packaging, so that way you're also always knowing like what fragrances it's inspired by, and also to just letting you know what's also in the fragrances. So my favorite fall perfume right now is the Gourmand Orange Blossom. That's just my new favorite, y'all. It just smells so good. I'm definitely going to be wearing it for this season, and it's inspired by Lancome's La Vie Est Belle, and it just smells so good. It starts off with a trio of jasmine, orange blossom, and orris blended with some black currant and hazelnut. Y'all, that just smells so good. Like, don't it smell good? Like, it seems like it smells good, right? What I also love about Dossier is they are pretty cool. So if you don't love a fragrance that you did choose online, you can always send it back free of charge, free refunds. And what they do is, instead of just discarding the barely used perfumes, they do send it off to donation. Y'all definitely try out Dossier. It's something for everyone to try. I always get my husband like some really nice ones as well. He loves them. So definitely check out Dossier. I will leave my code in the description box below, Levion10. Definitely check out Dossier. As I mentioned, I typically never like decorate for different seasons and holidays and things like that, but with my color scheme that I've been kind of going for in my living room and throughout my home, I kind of felt like just adding in some really nice fall decor would just complement my home very well. I didn't add in too many pieces because I didn't want to go out and just purchase a lot of things that I knew I wouldn't really use. So I did pick up a lot of things from Target and maybe Amazon, just a few things, and just kind of added into the decor. On top of my console table, I'm going to add in this Joshua vase I had got from Pottery Barn, and I'm going to add in just a few artificial stems that I did pick up from Hobby Lobby. I love that Hobby Lobby has like so many different like floral stems and things like that to choose from. If needed, I'll bend the ends just to adjust the height if I need to or if I want to. And then if I want to use them inside of another vase that may be smaller or taller, I'll just kind of like bend them back to where they were. And then inside of it, I did place a cup, and I'll just place the stems inside of that cup. So next, I'm restyling my coffee table. I'm always changing up the look on my coffee table. I just have so much fun like recreating like different styles. So at this time, I decided to decorate with a tray. I feel like decorating with trays is an easy way just to keep everything organized and all together. And then I'm just adding in just some really simple fall decor pieces with this really nice orange pumpkin, as well as this little floral piece that I also found from Target, some candlesticks, and some coasters. So moving into my kitchen, I'm going to do a little bit of fall styling in here as well. I'm going to add in this vase over in the corner here, and I'm going to place some, I guess, burgundy floral stems. I did find these at Marshall's for $12.99, and I thought that these added in some really nice coloring to the kitchen. I did want to create like a really simple coffee station, so I picked up this marble stand from Target, and then I also found these oil dispensers from Amazon, and I thought they were just so cute. Something really nice I can put my coffee syrups in. So my flavorings that I'm going to be using is salted caramel. I'm just going to go ahead and refill the syrups up. I'm super messy, so I'm just like gonna cover up the whole bottle so I won't get anything on the label. And these things are really nice too. I love that it has like a little dispenser where you can kind of like put the the syrup through so it won't like spill everywhere. And I just find my coffee syrups from like Marshall's and like TJ Maxx, those type of places, I feel like they are, pretty affordable. So after I place the syrups on the stand, I'm going to add in my little Keurig pods. I'm going to place them on top of that just so I can kind of have some Keurig pods just on the go. I do have like my drawer of my Keurig organized in there, but these are just like my overflow, just something I can have, when I'm ready to just pull out and reach for my coffee. And then in this little cup here, I'm just going to add in my little gold spoons, and I have my frother on the side. And I'm just going to add in a few, I guess, coffee table books. I was thinking about adding them under there, and I think I may, but I just decided to just kind of place them on the side of my Keurig. And the name of these books are The Real Fresh Coffee and Kinfolk Entrepreneur. I think I'm going to probably change up the Kinfolk Entrepreneur book though. So on this side here is where my utensils are, and I got a few other cookbooks, and then my containers where I do have my oatmeal and sugars in here. So on this side, I'm still keeping it really simple. I decided to add in these little floral arrangements. I did find these at the dollar section over in Target. Definitely was trying to keep up with the price, not overly spend, especially for something that I just knew I wasn't going to keep forever. So $3 on this little floral piece was pretty decent in my opinion. And I just added it in this little planter. Over in this black bowl, I'm going to add in some artificial artichokes. I thought this was so nice. Instead of adding in like your typical like apples or oranges or lemons, I decided to go for these artichokes, and I thought they looked really nice. my kitchen island, I'm just going to add in this full stem inside of my cream vase, and I also am going to add in like this pumpkin arrangement inside of this bowl here, along with the candle, and just kind of make it super simple. I just felt like everything came together really nice, super cozy, and just added some really nice touches of fall. Guys, I hope that you have enjoyed watching today. I hope that you guys have gotten some, fall inspiration to just decorate as little or as much as you would like in your own home. If you have enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your girl some comments down below. And if you aren't already, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.